I am very happy to be amongst my family members, the leaders of the AIADMK and the BJP together are waiting to welcome Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji tomorrow evening at the largest gathering, the largest public meeting that Trichy has ever seen. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is working relentlessly for the poor, for the middle class, and for the nation's pride to make India a developed nation, a prosperous nation. He cares for the people of Tamil Nadu, for Tamil culture, for Tamil pride. We are all collectively, as NDA, going to change the corrupt DMK government. We are going to bring good law and order. We are going to ensure that Tamil Nadu once again sees good governance like we saw in the times of Amma, of Jayalalitha ji. Under the leadership of Thiru Edappadi Palanisamy ji, the NDA in Tamil Nadu will form a government which will work for every section of society and make Tamil Nadu the best state in India. Thank you.
Fuel and gas shortage lead to paralyze the Indian industries. Fuel and gas shortage.
Well, there is absolutely no shortage of fuel. More details are being worked out. There is a serious war going on. I think everybody knows about it. The people are seeing it on television. You are showing it relentlessly. And in this situation of war, there will be concerns which will be appraised, which will be made known to everybody from time to time by the relevant department. Details will be shared with you by the relevant department as they are monitoring the situation very closely.
Sir, if there is a heavy sheet sharing talk tomorrow, sir, after the meeting or before the meeting?
Well, we have all focused our attention to welcome Prime Minister Modi with all the warmth and affection that Tamil Nadu is proud of. And currently, all the members of the NDA have decided that we work as one family, and in the family we do these discussions inside the room, and when the final decision is taken, we will come back and let you know. We will all decide. We'll talk to Edappadi Palanisamy ji, and he will take the lead as the leader of the alliance, and at the appropriate time we will tell you when we are ready.
Yesterday, CM.
You will have to ask that of the leader of the NDA in Tamil Nadu. Edappadi ji will know better about it. But as I know, we are all together in this. We have Thiru Dinakaran, we have Thiru Ambumani, we have Thiru G.K. Vasan, all the other leaders, Shanmugan, Jagan Murthy, all of them, all of us together, along with, of course, Thiru Edappadi, Thiru Nenar. We are all working together to strengthen the NDA, and we will go to the people with a very strong, committed alliance to work for the welfare of the people of Tamil Nadu.
Comparing to DMK alliance, your alliance is very weak now, sir. They are having more than 20 parties in their alliance.
I can keep adding names and say that he's a member of the alliance and have even 50 members. But it doesn't matter if you are a one-man party. I think in terms of parties with substance, with vote share, and with popularity amongst the people of Tamil Nadu, the AIADMK-led NDA in Tamil Nadu is far, far stronger and will beat the DMK hollow with an absolute majority. We will form the government under Edappadi Palaniswamy's leadership.
Sir, yesterday CM told, sir, the upcoming election is the Delhi vs Tamil Nadu. He told like that, sir. What's comment, sir?
Well, I think in all my comments today, I have made it very clear that the people of Tamil Nadu are looking for change. The people of Tamil Nadu are very unhappy with Udayanidhi Stalin, and I am very sure that Mr. Stalin is already feeling very uncomfortable because his own position is threatened by his son. I doubt Mr. Stalin will be made the chief minister by Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin, and therefore his insecurity is reflected when he tries to lob the ball with such irresponsible comments. The people of Tamil Nadu will elect the NDA led by AIADMK in Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Thiru Stalin has understood that his end game in terms of being Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu are here, and Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin is his biggest threat within the party. But I think the people of Tamil Nadu have made up their mind that they will never accept an anti-Tamil person, somebody who cannot understand Tamil pride, somebody who is totally against Tamil culture. Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin is not acceptable to the people of Tamil Nadu, and therefore I am sure they will go for good government led by Thiru Edappadi. Thank you. Vanakkam.